Ka Surok ba Motphran ke baju bun kamha ban keu ban hia kinolek nawan na ki kali kamai bat ke badai ru ke ketem yo ke bahek ba mentakas ngi ka khatwei tarik lubel aja prenre kala kala long kum ke Madan jingalang Paidbah ki Paidbah belen ki bala tuj sekeni ke jaka ban wan sek jingalang bala khot ke Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization ni komsu ban penpau persya ya ke jingyo ya simbenta ki bomdai rum syak election syak Garo Hills Autonomous Council ka jinglong jiman ha Garo Hills kawan ra ka Iatylli ha pedang Khasi-Jaintia baru Garo nama ba kani kala ban ketak lang ha baru ka wei ke jela om tang kinong kiken hun sang bahalang na Khasi-Jaintia Hills hanrei ki Paidbah Garo ru ki awan ban simenta lang ha ni ki jingalang ke balong ha Motphran la setap ika thai Motphran khandai la dagi bol pelit ha ka bagi dukan ru ki khang lut plan ha ka te ka thai
Kabur kadai paninyo mansangmo ya kani ka meeting ha kani kano phai jo ski का खरवी ट्री
वो हिसाब से उसको देगा ना एसटी तो नॉन ट्रिबल होगा तो उसको कैसा हम एसटी देगा आप बताइए जितना हकदार है हम लोग का एसटी का वो हिसाब से हम लोग एसटी देगा ना हम लोग अगर एसटी लोग को दे देगा तो हम लोग ये स्टेट का जो हम लोग
This rally was conducted to let people know that we as Garo stand with Garo Hills people. We from Shillong, we cannot go and help them physically there, but we could have done it here. So we came here to let them know that we are with them, and no matter what happens, we are united with Garo people from Surok.
We are here standing against non-tribals who are coming, like they are breaking the laws which we are prohibiting against them. So we came here to stand with these brothers, Khasi and Jaintia, so together we can